Hello there and welcome back to Woodwork Journey. I'm Dean and today we're going to be talking about sanding discs and I'm going to get you some money off. Stick around. Right, so if you've been with me any particular period of time, you will probably know that I really enjoy Smurdex sanding discs. I've enjoyed these for a fair while now because they're long lasting. They last longer in my experience than the 3M products that I've used before. The angry grits are angrier, so they'll take more material away, and they just do an absolutely sterling job, and they just last forever. I'll show you something in a minute, but I've got plenty of pieces of this that I've cut up to use on the lathe or whatever, and I use it and use it and use it and use it, and that's just what happens. It's not something that I've used a couple of times and then thrown it away, you know. Anyway, super exciting thing to tell you all is Abrasives in the UK have now become one of the channel supporters, so it means I get to use all this Smurdex stuff a lot more, which I'm very excited about, and also I get to try out 2 new products. These are the sanding discs that I've got in here, so 100, 120, 180 and 240, and so these we've already seen, we've seen these before, but these right here are individual like pieces of mesh, if you like, so sheets. And the way these work is rather than having the circle of mesh, you've just got these handy dandy little size sheets. Anyway, so in my drawer down here, I've got plenty of kind of bits of old discs that I've cut up and I've used and I've cut bits off of and done stuff, but I just get to use it and use it and use it, like I said a little while ago. So using these bad boys both on hand and possibly some of the sort of the oblong shaped orbital sanders or whatever might be very, very good. I think they're going to be crazy helpful, especially if you do a lot of hand finishing, if you're a wood turner, if you're anything like this, because this stuff lasts for ages. Then I've got some of the wet and dry, which I'm crazy excited to try. Now I've got a 320, 1000 and 4000 grits, and I'm going to do 2 things with these. First of all, I am going to make a scary sharp system. I'm going to put a piece of this, of each of these grits, onto a bit of granite that I've got, and we're going to start sharpening stuff up, and I'm going to let you know how we get on with that, because it's going to be interesting to know how quickly this stuff wears through, because I think it's going to last a long time if it's anything close to how great the mesh is. So yeah, I'm going to try this for a scary sharpening system, and I'm also going to try and get some real kind of high polish on a couple of things later in the year as well, and I'm going to use like the 1000 grit on this for that purpose, so we'll see how that goes. But no, all in all, I'm just super excited to have Abrasives on board. I love this stuff, I have done for a long time, and I strongly suggest that you give it a shot, because after last year's video saying how amazing the 3M stuff was, I thought that was as good as it's going to get. However, getting this stuff for me means a little bit more. So this is better in my opinion. Also at Abrasives, we've also got the sanding discs, the spongy thingamajigs. You know what they're called. The protectors and stuff to make sure that things stay sticky. And these things do stick really, really well. I mean, it's something where that is just not going to come off, you know, if you don't want it to. So now then, I've got for you a discount code, 5% with WWJ5. That's Woodwork Journey 5, so WWJ5. And I will leave all the links down below. I've not been paid to say any of the stuff about this. As I said, if you've watched me on my Instagram for a while, you'll know that I use this for all my kind of saw handles and anything that needs sanding. I love using this stuff for. So, you know, that's all down to you. I don't get any money if you do buy it. They've just sent me these so I can use them, and that's made me super happy. So I hope you get to experience it as well. But if you do use this stuff already, please do let me know down below how you get on with it. Thanks very much, and I'll see you very, very soon. Bye-bye.